Good morning students. In this video I am going to derive the expression for relation between alpha and beta. Before going to derive the expression for alpha and beta, we recall the concepts of what is alpha and what is beta. We know the expression for alpha and beta. Alpha is the current amplification factor in common base configuration. So it is represented with alpha. Alpha is change in output current, that is IC, by change in input current, that is represented with IE in common base configuration. So here delta IC is the output current and delta IE is the input current. We can write 1 by alpha equal to delta IE divided by delta IC. And what is meant by beta? Beta is the current amplification factor in common emitter configuration. So beta equal to change in output current, that is delta IC, by change in input current, that is delta IB in common emitter configuration. So here delta IC is the output current in common emitter configuration and delta IB is the input current in common emitter configuration. Now we can write 1 by beta equal to delta into IB divided by delta into IC, where IB is the input current and her base current and IC is the collector current. It is also known as the output current. So from these equations we can derive the relation between alpha and beta. And we know the equation, that is total current. We know total current in transistor, delta IE equal to delta IB plus delta IC. So it is the algebraic sum of the currents in the transistor. IE, emitter current, is equal to the base current and collector current. Here current entering into the transistor equal to current leaving the transistor. So that's why we are having delta IE equal to delta IB plus delta IC. From this equation we can also write delta IB equal to delta IE minus delta IC. Note it as equation 1. From this equation we know from the alpha relation, alpha equal to delta IC by delta IE. Keep it as equation 2. Now substitute equation 2 in equation 1. We get delta IE equal to delta IB plus, from this equation we can write delta IC equal to alpha into delta IE. So keep it as this one is the second equation. Now substitute second equation, equation 2 in the equation 1. You will get delta IE equal to delta IB plus alpha into delta IE. Now keep the IE terms one side. So delta IE equal to delta IE minus alpha into delta IE equal to delta IB. From this equation, delta IB equal to, take the delta IE common, then you will get 1 minus alpha. So delta IB equal to delta IE into 1 minus alpha. Now dividing both sides with delta IC. Now dividing both sides with delta IC. Then delta IB by delta IC equal to delta IE divided by delta IC into 1 minus alpha. From this equation, we can write delta IB by delta IC equal to, we have delta IB by delta IC equal to 1 by beta. Now write the delta IB by delta IC equal to 1 by beta. And delta IE by delta IC equal to 1 by alpha. So it is 1 by alpha. So we have 1 minus alpha here. So 1 by beta equal to 1 minus alpha divided by alpha. So 1 by beta equal to 1 minus alpha divided by alpha. From this equation we can write beta equal to 1 minus alpha divided by alpha. From this equation we can write beta equal to alpha divided by 1 minus alpha. This is the current amplification factor beta in common emitter configuration in terms of alpha. So beta equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. To derive the equation for alpha in terms of beta, take the above equation. 1 by beta equal to 1 minus alpha divided by alpha. Now divide the numerator, then you will get 1 by alpha minus alpha by alpha. Alpha gets cancelled, then you will get beta equal to 1 by alpha minus 1. From that you can write 1 by beta alpha equal to 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta equal to 1, or you can simply write 1 by beta equal to 1 by alpha equal to 1 plus 1 by beta plus 1 into 1 equal to 1 by alpha plus 1 equal to 1 by alpha. Now take the beta as common. 1 by alpha equal to, take the beta common. So here we are getting 1 plus beta. So 1 by alpha equal to 1 plus beta by beta. From this equation we can write alpha equal to beta by 1 plus beta. So this is the current amplification factor in common emitter configuration equation, that is alpha equal to beta divided by 1 plus beta. Equation for alpha in terms of beta. This is called, alpha is called current amplification factor in common base configuration, and beta is called current amplification factor in common emitter configuration. So beta value is high and alpha value is low. If you are taking the beta value, beta equal to alpha by 1 minus alpha. Here if alpha is reaches to 1, the beta goes to or produces infinitive. So while designing the transistor, we have to take care about while designing the beta value and alpha value. Alpha value should be less than 1. Then beta will be in the range of 220 to 200.